Good morning children, welcome back. Today we are going to continue with advanced features of Microsoft Excel 2013. Now let us move to filtering the data. Viewing only selected data that satisfies a given condition is known as filtering data. Unlike sorting, filtering does not rearrange the data. So unlike the sorting, it doesn't rearrange the data. It just temporarily hides the rows that do not meet the specified criteria. So the rows which doesn't meet the condition, the criteria, that it hides. Now for filtering the data, you must have these conditions. The first one, the top row of each column should have a heading. Number two, before filtering, make sure that the data type for each item in a column is the same. So you must make sure that the column contains same type of data. Data type is same. One numeric, another label type or another string type will not do. So you have to have same type of data. To filter data, follow the steps below. Step number 1, click on any cell in the range you want to filter. Step number 2, click on the filter option in the sort and filter group on the data tab. The filter arrows appears next to the column heading. So as you click, the filter arrows will appear on the right side of each and every column heading. Step number 3, click on the arrow next to the column heading to specify a condition. Step number 4, the drop-down list provides many options for filtering the data. Two fast ways are: type the values on the basis of which you want to filter in the search box. So there will be a search box, you can type the value there, or selecting the check boxes of the values on the basis of which you want to filter. So there will be check boxes on the right side. You can tick mark that on the basis of which you want to have the filtering done, and clear the check boxes, other check boxes which you don't want as a filter condition. Step number 5, click on OK. After this, the list is filtered according to the chosen criteria. Now let us see. Here in step number 1, you have put the mouse pointer or the mouse cursor on the stream field or the stream column. Now in step number 2, you have to click on the filter option in the sort and filter group of this data tab. As we do, the filter arrows appear. So you have to click on this filter arrow of this stream column. So as we do, the search boxes appears. So in step number 4, either you have to type this in the search box as science because you want to filter with the science subject. So type in here, or tick mark that science subject, and others will be tick boxes will be deselecting. Okay, so only make those boxes which you want to have in the condition. Others you will be unticking or deselecting. After that, in step number 5, you have to click on OK. As we do, the filtered list appears, and you can see on the stream field, the filter icon is there on the right side of the arrow, filter arrow. That means on this column, on the basis of this column, data are filtered. So you can see that the filter icon appears in the column heading, and the rows which are filtered are indicated in blue colors. Okay. Now let us see practically what we have learned today. Filtering. To filter the data, you have to put the cursor or the mouse pointer on any column heading. Let's put it here on the stream. Again, you have to click on the data tab, and in the sort and filter group under the data tab, click on the filter option. As you click on the filter option, you see after every column name, the filter arrow already came. Okay. So after this, click on the arrow next to the stream column. As you click, options came. So either you can type the text filter since it is a text column. Suppose we type size. Only the science will be selected, and you select only the science. Others option, this check boxes you just deselect it and click on OK. As you do, you see that a filter icon appears on the stream column heading, since on this column heading, based on this column, the data is being filtered. And see on the row, all the filtered rows are in blue color, marked in blue color, 3, 7, 10, 11 and 15. These rows are only showing because it is matching the criteria where stream is equal to science. Others don't match, so that's why they are hidden. You want to see all, see the select all option and click OK, and again all the records will be shown. So students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood. Practice in your computer or device. Until the next class, until the next video, it's goodbye and happy learning.